Hello and welcome back guys to SOLIDWORKS tutorials. In today's video we are going to design an engine valve for our 4-cylinder engine. So let's begin. Select here new part. Okay. Now select the front plane and click sketch. Now select here line. Draw one vertical line from the origin. Now select here 3-point arc. Again select line. Create a sketch like this. Exit. Again select 3-point arc. Okay. Line and join this up to this point. Exit. Create a sketch like this. Now select smart dimension. And assign the dimensions as shown 20 mm. This radius is 10 mm. This point from this side is 5 mm. Okay. First assign the overall distance. Select this line 110 mm. Okay. This distance is 5 mm. Assign the angle here 140 mm. This length is 50 mm. 10 mm. And this point and this point 15 mm. The radius of this arc is 350 mm. Drag this point up to here. Now this point and this origin 40 mm. This angle is 150 degree. Ten mm. Okay. Now the sketch is fully defined. Assign dimensions carefully as this sketch contains several dimensions. Okay, now go to feature and select revolve boss base. Select this line as axis of rotation. Okay. Now select this face, click sketch, select here convert entities and select this edge, click OK. Now exit. Now go to feature and here go to curves. Here you find a command helix and spiral. Select this sketch. Now here select defined by height and pitch. Select here constant pitch. Keep the height 75 mm and keep the pitch 20 mm. Start angle 270° clockwise. Okay, click here OK. Now here select swept boss base. Here select circular profile. Here you need to define the path only. So select this spiral. Now it will show the preview. Now here select the diameter 5 mm. Click OK. Now hide this spiral. Now go to edit appearance. Delete this and here select faces. Now select yellow color. Okay. Again go to appearance. Delete this and here select face. Red color. Again edit appearance. Delete this. This time select here features and select the black color. Select the spiral. Okay. Now our engine valve is ready. So save it as. So this is a video on engine valve. Stay tuned for more SOLIDWORKS tutorials. We are going to create a 4-cylinder engine project. So thank you for watching guys. Give us a like and share this video to your friends. Thank you.